Hey guys, hope this video finds you doing well. I wanted to take just a minute and open my Daily Choice Hemp Works starter box to show you what all comes in it when you join the team. Make sure I've got it in the frame. Okie dokie. It shouldn't actually be that much, honestly. And there we go. So here's my bottle. This is the bottle I bought to join because joining is the cost of at least a bottle. You have the choice to buy more if you want to, but I just bought one bottle. You get a little thank you card. And then this is the kit. And let's see what's in the kit.
A kit?
So here's information about the company, and it just opens up in a little folder, and there's just some information stuff in here and pens and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we have little promos, pens, a bracelet, a sticker of some sort, and some informational brochures, and then they have brochures that tell you about your CBD for your pet. I'm actually gonna try it on Bella because she has separation anxiety from John when he's gone, and since we'll be living separate for a while, I want to see how it does for her. Here's another information. What is it? How can it help you? All that. They have shirts, and someday I want to get a shirt because it just drives attention. People ask you about it, and then they have Daily Choice information. And this is the company that we work for. My Daily Choice Hemp Works is an offshoot of it, but this is just their products. Hemp Works. They have these sprays, health sprays. They do travel, all kinds of things. So Roadmap for Success booklet, an MDC compensation plan. And the compensation plan is one of the reasons I was okay getting on board, because you start, I don't know if you can see that, you start at 25%. You start, like right now, I'm making 25%. My upline, she's only been doing it for like a month or 6 weeks, and she's already hit executive. She's already making 50%. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to do this. Let's see, we have a Fearless Networking. Ooh, it's a book. That's gonna be super cool for me to read, because create a better connections and fight with ease. Oh yeah, I'm excited for that. And then there is, see, this is the one I did. I did the beginning one, and it was only $69 plus the $20 registration fee. So, and there's the, you fill that out. But that's easier to do on my website, and I already have a website, which is super awesome. They give you your own website and you don't have to pay for it. I thought that was super cool. And then the action plan for us affiliates. So that's super cool. I am excited that I got my bottle because I had run out, and I've actually been using John's, and I've only been using it for a couple days, so I haven't seen a difference. Come on, open up. Between the I take the full spectrum, he takes the THC free. I didn't see a difference, but I'm glad to have another bottle that I can use. And me and the kids actually share my bottle. They kind of go back and forth, and that doesn't matter. I'm trying to open my bottle. I'm sorry, I'm all shaky. So, there's my bottle of goodness. Yay! I am running a special right now. Oh, and it's peppermint. I did get the peppermint. I like the peppermint. It's not overwhelming. Some people say it messes with them with acid reflux or not being able to sleep or anything, but I really like the peppermint. And I'm sure the peppermint is so light that I'm sure the natural doesn't taste horrible, because it's only like a little touch of peppermint. It's not crazy like sucking on a peppermint or peppermint gum. It's not anywhere close to that. So I'm excited to have this. I am running a deal right now that if you are as serious about this as I am, and you are as serious about helping bring in the money and make some money, I am running a special kind of deal right now that if you want to sign up under me, I will pay your registration fee. But that's only this month, and there's only what, like 7 days left of this month. So let me know. Message me, comment. I think I have an email floating around here somewhere. You can get a hold of me and let me know, and I can give you info and whatever else you need. I'm excited. I'm glad. I mean, this is super, like, what company can you join, as I hit you, for $69? You guys, what company does that? And while from the time you make your first order to the time you become affiliate, they're already putting people under you on a leg. So they're building one leg under you. And then when you sign up, you've already got that like jump start. It's so awesome. They're not just like, here's your kit, good luck. You get to start from scratch. No, they start right away building your team underneath you. So you're not left at zero right away. So it's awesome. But I'm excited to get this again. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little look at what came in my starter kit, and let me know if anyone would like any information about my oil. Bye guys.